Good morning, Sila Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Sila Wolf, Sila Family, y bienvenidos al noticiero Wolf TV. Yo soy Cristina.
And I am Catherine. Happy Friday, September 29th.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for today's weather forecast. Good morning, Sila Wolf. Good morning, Sila Wolf. It's 61 degrees and partly cloudy right now. This afternoon it will be 81 degrees and cloudy. The forecast predicts sunny weather on Saturday and Sunday. Have a good weekend, Wolf. Now back to our host.
Make sure to say thanks due to Mr. Ryan and the cafeteria staff.
Now for the lunch menu. Today lunch opinions is turkey meatballs. Today lunch options is turkey meatballs with barbecue sauce and artisan rolls with seasoned pinto beans and berry blue veg slushy and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host.
Please wait because we're having technical difficulties. Monday is School Students Appreciation Day.
Miss Yvette, Miss Liz, and Miss Maria are our three fabulous custodians.
The best way we can show appreciation to our fabulous custodians is to keep Sila clean.
They help with the big stuff, but we can help with the small stuff. In sports news, the girls volleyball team is still undefeated.
On Monday, they're playing against Ray Farms.
It's a home game, so stop by the middle school gym to cheer them on.
Let's go, Sila Wolves! Now for the message from Miss Childers.
Good morning, Sila Wolves, I'm here from the big gym, and this Monday, the girls volleyball team has a home game, and we want you to be here to cheer on your Wolves. The game starts at 5 o'clock. Make sure you tell your parents so that they can bring you, or you can come back to school. We'll see you Monday. Go Wolves!
Today is the first day of the book fair.
Yay! Book fair shopping hours are from 8:45 to 5 p.m.
You must go to your classroom first before you can visit the book fair.
Next week is also Spirit Week for the book fair.
Monday is Heritage Day. Make sure to wear a traditional dress or attire to honor your heritage.
Today is Fall Picture Day, so Tuesday is Fall Picture Day, so make sure to dress your best.
Today's positive affirmation is,
Today I will shine.
today is the 8th day in middle school. I am Catherine.
Joy, soy Cristina.